If you're like me, you have trouble working out what the actual bolt sizes are or the nut sizes, that's where this little tool comes in very handy. We'll start with this, and we'll try and find out what size it is. Is it that one? No. If you're like me, you don't know what the bolt sizes are or the nut sizes, that's where this tool comes in handy. You grab your bolt, and you just simply a matter of going along and saying it's not that one, it's too loose. Try this one. So that one fits, and there's your size there. It's a M5, so that's handy. We got this one. I've got no idea what size that is. Looking at it, is it maybe that, is it? Oh, how about that? No, yes. First shot, that's pretty impressive. So that is a M7. Now we've got a nut, a little, probably in the middle, is it, that one? Yeah, there you go. Okay, so that was pretty good. I got 3 of them right. And it tells you the sizes, so when you go to order them, you'll always get the right one. So very, very impressive. It does metric, and it does in inches as well. So very comprehensive little kit. Great for any motor mechanic or anybody like me who has no idea what nut and bolt sizes are. I just go that one or this one. But now I've actually got the correct size, so I can order them correctly.